Hello and welcome to JULABO. My name is Alex and today I will show you the different interfaces of your DYNEO circulators. All electronic interfaces are easily accessible from the back. All DYNEO models include a USB port and a PT100 connection as standard. The USB port allows to record data and to read out the so-called black box of the unit, which stores all relevant data and logs alarm and warning messages. In addition, it makes remote control as easy as possible. The PT100 interface enables precise measurement in your external application and makes the DYNEO the perfect match for external temperature control tasks like reactors. In addition, all DYNEO circulating pumps can be optionally equipped with analog or digital interfaces when purchased. For this, please get in direct touch with our product experts. I am sure we will find the best connection type for your existing equipment. I hope this short tutorial was helpful for you. If you need more details or if you have any questions, please feel free to contact us at any time. Thank you and see you soon.